Topic number 27 in your syllabus GCE O levels, and this topic coordinate geometry contains these sub-concepts: distance between 2 points, this is length of a line segment, and midpoint between 2 points, gradient of a line, equation of a straight line, and parallel and perpendicular lines. If you want to prepare this topic for Cambridge exam, you need to get grip on these sub-concepts that are contained in this topic. इस टॉपिक को तैयार करने के लिए आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स अपने तैयार करने हैं, और you need to learn 3 stages of this topic. Number 1, basic concept. What is distance in this topic, and how do we find it? Is there any formula? Is there any concept that support you to get this? First, learn the basic use of this concept, number 1. Number 2, then get its practice and then move towards the application of this topic. Similarly, one by one, you need to get the basic concept of each sub-concepts of this topic. There might be a technique, might be a formula, its basic use, and then move towards its application area. This will give you a preparation for this topic, coordinate geometry. So first of all, we'll focus on distance between 2 points, and let's learn distance. How can we find distance between 2 points? Let P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 are 2 points. Then distance between P and Q is obtained by, this is PQ is equal to, this is formula for this basically, this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus this is y2 minus y1 whole square root. This is a formula to find the distance between 2 points, or to find the length of a line segment between the point P and point Q. Let's have an example. Let point P containing the coordinates 1, 1, and point Q has coordinates 7 and 9. Then PQ distance will be equal to, this is 7 minus 1 whole square. This is x2 and this is x1. Here is the second part. The points of point 1, this is x1, y1, and the coordinates of this point second is x2, y2. Pick the x2 first. This is x2 minus x1, here is x1, and then plus, here is y2, 9, and y1 is 1. So this is 9 minus 1 whole square and whole square root. And then let's simplify it. 7 minus 1, it will be 6, and this will be written 6 square, plus 9 minus 1, it will be 8 square, and this will be equal to 36 plus 64, and this is equal to 100 when we add these two, and ultimately we will get 10 units is the distance between 2 points with coordinates 1, 1 and 7, 9. So this is basic use, my dear students. If you have 2 points, this is the formula. You need to learn it first, then use coordinates of the 2 points in this formula, calculate step by step, simplify it, you will get the distance. You need to improve your first basic use of this formula and then move towards some next step questions. Get 1, 2, 3 questions, get practice about this formula, plug in the value in the formula, get practice, and then move to the next stage. I'll guide you and help you in the second stage where you can use the comprehensive level use of the concept of this distance formula, and then we will see how can we find the further sometime unknown values. Let's have example, one more example. Let point A contain coordinates -4 and 4, and point B has coordinates -3, -4. For example, how can we find this distance AB? The formula I have written just before, write it again just to get the practice about this. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus this is y2 minus y1 whole square root. Let's plug in these values. As I told you, the values, the components of this point A are x1, y1, and the members or components here to point B, they're x2, y2. So let's substitute here. The x2 is -3 here, minus the x1 is -4. We need to write like this in brackets, so then there should not be mingling of this concept. This is sine, and then plus this is y2 -4, and then this is -4 again. This is y2, this is y1, and this is whole square. Let's have the next step. This -3 and this is minus will become plus. This is 4 whole square plus this is -4, this is -8 here square. This is 1 square plus 8 square here, and this is 1 plus 64, and this will be.
डियर स्टूडेंट, सब्सक्राइब बटन और बेल बटन को दबाएं ताकि मेरे वीडियोस आपको सबसे पहले मिल सकें।